Hello, I'm Blake Baertlein, and it's been a while since I posted on YouTube. I have a decent portion of this build documented. However, the car is about to go, so I just wanted to take some time and document all the work that I did to it and show you guys. So I do have this build, part of the build posted. So I have two 18s and a 34 hertz ported enclosure on 9 cubic feet interior volume. I have a SIA 3500 Sundown amplifier running these two. In the back here, I have custom D pillars that I made. I did them in bed liner. I was supposed to do them in leather. However, I had a lot of issues with the different contours and the leather bonding. So that became a little bit of an issue. So I ended up doing it in bed liner. The whole car is sound end. I stripped it down to the bare metal, pulled all the seats, center console, and the entire car has kill mat on it. And I have the interior headliner sprayed with expansion foam to stop the flexing of the subs a little bit. Moving on to the next part of the system, here you can see those D pillars right there, subs. So I have a Class D amplifier. This runs my mid bass. This is a 4-channel bridged. Then I have a 6-channel Class AB amplifier. And this runs my D pillars and my A pillars. And custom length RCAs. I have a Helix Mark III DSP Pro. And then I have my tweeter protection, 12 dB crossovers. Twisted wire. I got two excess power D5200, I believe, or 5400. And then I have this little amp rack that I did in leather. Yeah. Now moving to the front of the car, I did a Apple CarPlay install, and then I did a custom surround. This surround here, took the original one, filled in the buttonholes, took all the electronics out, fiber filler, body filler, and then I painted it. And then if you come up here, I have the A pillars. So these are again in bed liner. This is a channel that I made, and it was supposed to have edge-lit acrylic. I never got to the LEDs. However, that was supposed to have a glowing portion to it. I have hybrid audio L3s, I believe. And those ones are pretty good. And then I have the hybrid audio no housing Legadia tweeters. Down here, I have the LS8 or the L8 Legadia subwoofer running mid bass, and this breathes through the firewall down into the kicks. If you come around down by the wheel well, you can see what I did is I did a waterproof membrane that was sandwiched with a speaker grill sandwich in between there. And then I did a louvered grill over that just to prevent extra water from getting in there. The speaker that I chose does have a waterproof cone, so I didn't have any issues. And I'll be taking them out and looking to see what the quality is and what happened to them while they were down there in the snow. But yeah, that's the whole system. We got full 3-way active front end. Then we have coaxial coaxial drivers in the back on the D pillars. And yeah, it sounds terrific. There's not a better way to put it, but there's definitely more to be learned with tuning on the DSP. So yeah, after I got the whole car built, it took me about 1,500 hours and just under 2 years. I put a mic in the headrest and did the DSP tuning. I used the Room EQ Wizard to collect my measurements, and then the Helix DSP software to make those adjustments. Everything's time aligned, everything's active, but it was definitely a life-changing experience to get into this high level of audio. There's so much more to learn, and especially with the tuning, that's a lifelong endeavor to master. So just doing my best right now, and with the next car you'll see even better craftsmanship and hopefully I'll grow a lot in the tuning techniques.